drying out little eyeballs. Like, it's an awful feeling. Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. I know I'm like super late to the game on this. Normally I'm all about having my Fenty Beauty videos up like the day after she releases a new product, and I failed to do that. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about the new Fenty eyeliners that she has released. My boyfriend bought me this one, and I love the colors because I've been actually using it for like 2 weeks now. And then I decided to go in and pick up another one because I love the colors so much, and they are amazing. I love them. And then he also bought me this Fenty, the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in the shade Hint Hint. So I'm going to be reviewing these Fenty products for you, applying them, doing a little quick tutorial, and yeah. So let's get into it, guys. Alrighty, so first off, I really just kind of want to do some swatches for you guys because I'm not going to be able to apply every single one of these colors onto my eyelids. So we'll start off with the Baecae set. It comes with 3 colors. The shades are Wet Shirt, Haughty Alert, and then Banana Blaze. So we'll just swatch these first. We got White Shirt, and we've got Haughty Alert, and then Banana Blaze, which this Banana Blaze shade was the reason why I really wanted this set, because it almost is like a neon yellow almost. Okay, and then the next little trio is called Baeside, and it comes with 3 shades as well. We've got Papaya Mama, and this is like I would almost call this like a terracotta color, which is kind of cool. And then we've got Lime Fever, which is a really pretty green. And then we've got Skinny Dip. Really pretty. Now I've worn the pink and the yellow, and I wore them both times to work, and it lasted, I want to say it lasted a solid 10 hours, and by the 10th hour I could see that was cracking a little bit and starting to flake off just a little bit. But like whenever they dry down, I noticed that they don't like dry and crack like the NYX Vivid Brights liners, if you guys have any of those. And then real quick, this Pro Kisser Lip Balm, I'll go ahead and show you guys it. Here's the packaging on it. And it's in the shade Hint Hint, which I'll swatch it. You won't even be able to see it. Yeah, it's just clear. Like you can't even see it. But it smells like cake, and I really like it. It's not like thick and goopy on your lips. And I don't know, it's just a really good lip balm. I love lip balms a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and real quick use this this green one for you guys. I just want to do a quick tutorial for you guys. Okay, so I watched Kathleen Lights' video. It was her Sephora VIB sale haul, and she actually did a tutorial with like all her new stuff she got, and she was talking about this person and how they do their eyeliner, and it was a really cool idea. So I can't remember that person's name, but I'm just gonna kind of replicate what Kathleen Lights did in her video because it turned out really kind of cool. So like, I know the problem with a lot of liquid liners is whenever you apply them, they can be very opaque, and these ones actually are kind of opaque with the first coat. I'll go ahead and let you guys look. Like, that is just one coat. You can kind of actually see my like eyelid peeking through underneath the color. It's not like, you know, super pigmented or nothing, but whenever you go over it with the second coat, it really does help. Okay, so I've gotten one layer of this applied. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a second layer real quick. Okay, so that is with a second like coat on, and I feel like it looks like a lot better. I know with like other liquid liners I've used before, whether it be NYX, Urban Decay, you know, anything, I feel like no matter what, I always have to go over it with a second coat. Like, I've yet to find a liquid liner that only needs one like coat. So I feel like it's drying pretty good. It is cracking up a little bit. I feel like a lot of liquid liners do that. So overall, my thoughts are, like, I love all the colors. Here's like a super close-up of all the colors swatched on my hand. They are really pretty. They do crack some, which that doesn't really bother me. Like the cracking, why, like, that doesn't really bother me. But anyways, I went and applied these little lines on the sides there as well, because that's what Kathleen Lights did in her video, and I thought it was really cute. Just something like real easy to apply on top, like with a eyeliner look, just as something else added extra. I think it really like dolls up the look, makes it really cute. But so overall, guys, I'm impressed with these Fenty Beauty eyeliners. I do like the colors a lot, and I really like that when it dries, it doesn't make your eyelids feel so tight and like they're like drying out little eyeballs. Like, it's an awful feeling. I don't know, if you think about your eyeballs drying out and like seizing up, like that's what like the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliners feel like. But anyways, guys, I might go ahead and do a quick little check-in for you guys, so that way you can see how this wears. It is 3 o'clock right now, and I could probably do like at least a 5 or 6 hour type review or wear test, I mean. Hey you guys, so I'm just doing a quick little check-in to like let you guys know how the eyeliner held up. It is now like 9 o'clock, I think. Something like that. So it's been on for like 6 hours, and it's held up pretty decent. It's not really like flaked off or anything like too bad. It did crack a little bit, which, you know, is kind of to be expected, but overall it lasted pretty good. It didn't really flake off or anything, and yeah, still love the product. So that's my little 6 hour product wear test for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
So if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.